Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something both fascinating and important, creating a QR code that can be malicious. Now, before we jump in, I want to emphasize that this video is purely for educational purposes. It's crucial to understand the potential risks associated with QR codes and why you should always be cautious about what you scan. We'll be walking through the steps to create a QR code that could potentially be used for malicious purposes. But remember, this knowledge comes with great responsibility. You must have explicit consent if you plan to try this on anyone. This information is intended to help you understand the vulnerabilities so you can protect yourself and others. As we get started, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you. So, let's dive in and explore the world of QR codes and cybersecurity. Stay tuned, and let's see how we can accomplish this together. All right, to accomplish this task, you'll need a penetration testing operating system like Kali Linux or Parrot OS. For this demonstration, I'll be using Parrot OS. Now that you're in your penetration testing system, navigate to the Social Engineering Toolkit, SET. We will use this tool to create a QR code. Follow the prompts to navigate to the QR code generator. Once you're there, you can paste any link to generate a QR code, even for promoting your own website. However, for this instance, we will use it to create a malicious phishing QR code. Here I have used google.com as an example just to verify that the QR code generator is functional. You can use the display command to view the QR code as I am here. Okay, now that we know how to generate a QR code, let's move on to creating a malicious link. We'll be using an application called zphisher for this task. zphisher is a powerful phishing tool that will help us generate the malicious link we need. First, I'll guide you through the steps to download zphisher. Once we have it installed, I'll show you how to run the application and use it to create our malicious link. Please follow along carefully. All right, to get started, we'll use get clone to download the repository from GitHub to your machine. Once that's done, you can navigate to the directory using the cd command. I've attached the link to the repository in the description below. Once you're in the directory, we can proceed to the next steps. To run the application, use the command bash.sh. This will execute the script needed to launch the application. A quick tip: before running the application, ensure your operating system is up to date. I found that updating my OS resolved issues where the application didn't function correctly. Now let's proceed with these steps. Okay, for this tutorial, I've used a Google phishing campaign. You can choose from any others you see on the screen. Happy phishing. Now let's continue. To select a campaign, simply choose the number corresponding to your preferred option on the screen. For this demonstration, I've tested the new Gmail login campaign. Additionally, I've opted to use Cloudflare as the port forwarding service. Remember, when using localhost, your service is only exposed within your network. If you choose local exposed, you'll need to create an account to use that option. When prompted, choose No for the next options regarding port selection and URL masking. The default settings will be sufficient for our demonstration. Choosing Yes would require additional customization. And there you have it, a malicious link ready to use. Stay tuned to learn how to turn it into a QR code and test it. So, the next step is to open up your social engineering toolkit again and paste your malicious link into the QR code generator. Now, with your family and friends' consent, you can test it out. Have fun. If you found this content helpful, please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon.